Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to make this into this. Stick around. Alright guys, if you haven't already done so, please like, subscribe, put some comments down below if you like this channel, if you like the how-to videos. Alright, so what I'm doing is I am completely out of the last ditch knives. The last ditch knives are made of a carbon steel. This carbon steel knife will look like this when it is finished. Alright, so now you have, this is the blade blank and this is the actual finished product. Alright, this one is mine. Now this one happens to have a flat grind, but most of them will have a hollow grind. This is 1/4 of an inch thick. We're going to go with 3/16. I believe this is 3/16. Yep, 3/16 inch thick. So this is 3/16 inch thick, $10.95. I buy all my steel stock from New Jersey Steel Baron. So shout out to them if you're interested in it. All right, this is a very, very simple design. I call it the last ditch because again, it's the last ditch effort of a knife. It's small enough that you can get inside game. It's also heavy enough that you can jam it inside of a door or a car door or whatever you need to kind of use it as a pry bar. All right, so this is my mini pry bar. And again, this is how the blade blanks come out when they are done from heat treatment. All right, heat treatment, carbon steel. I send it to Peter's Heat Treat, so another shout out to them. 3/8 inch tubes, some jimping on the top, and I'm going to show you how to do it during this video. So grab yourself a cup of coffee, sit around, watch what I need to do. guys, there you go. So I took this and I made this. This is a blade blank. This blade blank right here is 1095 3/16 inch thick. It is already stamped with my logo, as you watched. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, all 15 pieces, and send them to Heat Treat. I like to use Peter's Heat Treat in Pennsylvania. They always do a great job. They get their stuff back to me as soon as humanly possible. 1095 is really not that hard to heat treat, but when you got to do batches, it's a lot. So I just send all my stuff off. Now, when I get the blanks back, that's when the work actually begins to become a knife, all right? It's not a knife until it's heat treated. Once I get them back, depending on the bevel that you like, I'll probably put a hollow grind in there, but if you wanted to change the grind, you absolutely can. These will be available for pre-orders. If you want to pre-order, there's only 15 of them. I made a small batch because this is the original. This is the original Last Ditch, and as you can see, it's a little bit smaller. All right, so I did add quite a bit of length to it. All right, I did take the 1/4 inch stock and went to 3/16. That makes it a little bit thinner. The only difference is now it's a little bit lighter. So got a little more length. This will be a little bit wider blade as well. So this is about 1 inch and 3/8, where this is about 1 1/4 inch. All right, so I did widen it up and I also lengthen it. What that does is it makes it more of a tactical survival knife, which is what I wanted. Also 3/8 inch holes. These 3/8 inch holes will have tubes in them. So if you wanted to use it as a spear, you can. All right, you can use it as a spear. You can put latching on there, and you can use it as a frog gig or whatever you want. And again, that's still going to be available. Now the handle material will either come in a micarta or wood. You get to choose. Or if you want to cord wrap, you could also cord wrap. Again, that's also an option. 1095 will rust if you don't take care of it. So if you want the native form of just satin finish, you will have to oil it. I do have stuff like gun blue and Cerakote on the website as well. So if you're interested in that, again, this will be just for pre-orders for now. And then when the blanks are finally back, then of course, speed up the time and you'll get them as soon as possible. So hope you enjoyed that video. Again, go to 3riverblades.com. I have a bunch of new designs up there, a bunch of new blades, big blades, small blades. You decide what you want. They all are going to be fixed blades. Hunting season's already here. Christmas season is coming up. So again, if you want them, you're going to have to put your order in now. Please get on the mailing list. Go to 3riverblades.com. Go all the way down to the bottom. Get on the mailing list. That's the only place I'm sending discount codes. So if you want a discount code, you got to get on the mailing list. Thank you very much, guys, and as always, be safe.